Today in this video we will learn how to convert this infix expression into its postfix expression manually. Before converting from infix to postfix, first we need to know the different operators in this expression and the parentheses in this expression. Means the operators are exponent operator is there, multiplication and division operators are there, and this addition operators is there, and also this bracket is there. We all know to solve any expression, first we need to solve this term which has bracket. So to first you need to convert this expression, this term which is in bracket into postfix. To convert it, a plus b into c, this exponent. Now convert this de, divide, and f. Now this is in postfix. After this step, you need to check which is the next highest priority operator is there. In this expression, this exponent has the highest priority. So we need to convert this c exponent, the exponent, this term. So in the next step, first a, b, asterisk, c, d, e, divide, and this exponent, and f. After this step, this is now converted into postfix. After this step, we need to check now which is the highest priority operator operators are there. In this case, in this expression, now plus is there, multiplication is there, and division is there. Multiplication and division has the same priority, but we know the concept of associativity. With the concept of associativity, first we need to convert convert this term into postfix. Then after this division, we will do the division. In this case, first a plus b, c, d, e, divide, exponent, asterisk, then f is here. Now you can see here, this is the one term, a is a term and f is a term. Now there are two operators, plus and division. In between plus and division, division has the highest priority, so we need to convert this into postfix. Now the expression will be a plus b, c, d, e, divide, exponent, asterisk, f, and division here. Now there are in the next step, there are only two terms here. This is the one term and this is another term. In between this plus is there. To convert it into postfix, we need to write a, b, c, d, e, divide, exponent, asterisk, f, divide, now plus. Now this is the postfix conversion of this infix expression. This is the way to convert the postfix conversion into infix expression into postfix conversion. Now we'll see how a logical expression, means the expression which has logical operators, to convert into postfix. Now we'll see here with the next another example how to convert a logical expression which is an infix into its postfix equivalent. Now suppose this is the expression is not a or not b and not c. Here this is the logical expression. In this expression, not, or, and are the logical operators, and A, B and C are the operands. Before converting from infix to postfix, we need to understand the priority of these logical operators. Means the highest priority operator in this expression is not, means not has the highest priority. Then after and, then or, means in this order not, and or, means not has the highest priority and or has the lowest priority. Keeping it in mind, first you need to convert it A not into postfix. Now write or, B not, write and here, and you can write here C not. Means this all is now converted into postfix. After this step, you can see here or and these are two operators. There are two operators. In between or and has highest priority. So first we need to convert this term of this expression A naught. You have to write A naught or, now this will be converted into postfix. So B naught, C naught, and now it is converted into postfix. Now in between, in this step, now the expression is A naught or this term. There is one operator here, means to convert it into postfix, then you have to write A naught, B naught, C naught, and or. Now you can see here, this is the postfix conversion of this expression which is in infix. Thank you.